Welcome to Math 2320 Differential Equations. Hopefully you found yourself this far, and let's talk about that. Let's talk about the mechanics of how the class works. This is Lone Star College online. This is a look at our particular course, and this is the opening announcement. Now in the course you're going to have homework assignments, there's going to be sample tests, there's going to be a midterm and a final. All of these assignments are going to be found in something called WebAssign. Here's the link when you go to WebAssign. The class key that you're going to need to register for is here in red. So if we click on this link, you would come to something that looks like this, which is called WebAssign. If you already have an email and a password, you'd sign in, or if you were given a class key, which was right there in the announcements, you would enter the class key and then you could put it at that particular place. So Kingwood College, and then each of the sets of numbers in those particular locations. So let's say that we logged in. Alright, so I'm logging in, and let's see, what do we see here? Once we log in, you're going to see something that looks like the following. Let's see if I can shrink it in here so we can see everything. Alright, so what we see here is our particular class. The homework is already there for a number of sections. The ebook is there if you want to look at the ebook. Alright, so what you'll also notice is all of the homework, everything for the class, is not due until August 15th at midnight. So you can pace yourself. If you want to work a little faster, work a little bit slower, you can do so, but everything is due by August the 15th. Alright, so you just click on the homework, and the homework is going to have come back. The homework is going to have unlimited tries. Alright, so you can have the homework problems here. You could print it, you could look at it. So here's how the homework looks. Again, you have unlimited tries to get the best homework score possible. The homework counts for 40% of your grade. Alright, so we'll come back here to D2L. Homework assignments are 40% of your grade. The sample midterm and sample final do not count for a grade. Your midterm is worth 30% of your grade, and the final is also worth 30% of your grade. Alright, so all of that is here in WebAssign. If you click here for the schedule homework solutions and the YouTube videos, this will take you to the main important part of the course. Alright, so you see basically a suggested timeline for the course. Chapter 1 is mainly just to read, get the terminology correct. Things really begin in section 2.1. There are PowerPoint slides on the theory. The first part of the homework here, 2.1, is the complete solution manual for section 2.1. P is the particular homework in WebAssign, and then on the side here will be links to my YouTube videos where I talk about the homework, theory, any particular comments on important problems or solutions. So all of that is there all the way to the end of the course. A number of sections are already there. All right, another important part, let's come back to the opening. So you have the syllabus if you want to go through the full syllabus of course policies. That's also there. Learning outcomes and all of those things. All right, come back to the beginning again. And here where it says full course content, you can click on this link and that will take you to the discussion page if you have any questions or problems, the syllabus, and the schedule. You can also get to this page by clicking on content. Grades are going to be where your particular grades will be located at the end of the semester. The grade, the average, the homework, the midterm, and the final. All right, so come back to our particular class. That's the majority of how the class functions. An important tool that can help you a lot in the course is Wolfram Alpha. It'll take some of the drudgery out of calculating long integrals or graphing things. Just click here on mathematics. It'll give you examples on things to type in, things you can ask Wolfram Alpha to do. So, welcome to the course, and if you have any questions, send me an email or post them to the discussion board.